What time is it, bro? It's still dark outside. I'm trying to sleep. Why do we have an alarm? Oh, literally, we have an alarm for 3 a.m. in the no 4 a.m. because we don't want it to be the spooky morning. 4 a.m. And it said we're moving to the don't mind why they're sleeping in this room because look. Me undercover, living my life. There's like fences because they're moving. So these rooms are like, yeah, they might get destroyed. Okay, you guys don't have 4 more hours to put 1 hour. I don't kill. She was a fairy. Yeah, she was a fairy. Yeah, she was a fairy. With a fatty, with a fairy. She was a fatty. She was a fairy. Yeah, she was a fatty. She was a fairy. Stop singing now. Oh, she was a fairy. Okay, get you guys' bags so we can go. This is my bag. You gotta take this bag, little sister. We're moving to. Oh, I'm kind of happy because I can't wait to see our new. Is me and. Am I in? What's wrong with her arms? Let's just ignore that. See this. So you, Ava, Summer, and Sophie are gonna all share a room, and then Liliana's gonna have her own room, and then me and your dad are gonna share a room, you know, like always. Okay. Why do you guys have my phone for an alarm? I don't know. Okay, let's go. So we need to get all the boxes. I'll just do the boxes, and then you guys go take a shower and like brush your guys' teeth. Okay. I'm gonna take a bath. Let me just get you guys a soap. Do we need to take a bath really quickly? I thought to go take a shower first. Okay. Give me the soap. Don't take care of each other. Okay. Yeah. I want to take a big bubble bath.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York.
Taking a shower. Everything naughty. She's doing gnarly. Not pretend like she's not wearing her clothes in the shower because that'll be kind of weird. No, not like naked, but like with a towel on. Because come on, she can't be taking a shower with her sweater on. Because I don't have time to get a shower. Okay. Everything's gnarly. Honey, you make right copy. I'm legit. I'll be trying to copy. I'm legit.
It's so crazy that Golden Fire has a 222 Sephora, and he fused it, and I indexed it.
I'm legit. Everything's gnarly. I'm done. I'm finished with my shower, and now I got my clothes. Okay, now I just need to get the dad's clothes again, because I threw them away. Okay, now we just need to like put those in the boxes or something, like yeah. And like we can just throw these sleeping mats away because like yeah. Throw. This is so sad, bro. I'm just kidding. It's not sad because I can always get it again. Can't forget about the snow either. Okay, we need to get our bags. This is my bag. Stop going checking my bag because you're Hello Kitty. I don't care. I don't care. This is my bag. I give me that young bag. This is me. Okay. Let's just... Yeah. You guys want to know something? The grandma. That's a problem. The grandma has this house all to herself now. I'm just gonna pretend like this is the grandma's house. Now she has like a big house. Let me just go check on the grandma though. Oh, you got it behind. Too bad. Actually, the grandma can live like in another house that I've made. So just pack up all her things. Get her capybaras. Capybara. Capybara, 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 capybara.
Yeah, because the last time
Oh, more pillows. We got pillows. Can't leave these pillows behind. I think that the black and white pillow is just gonna have to be stuck. Yeah, it's just stuck. Okay, now we just need to get this. And we can put the bag, get her clothes in there. That's her clothes. And she has her thing. Like her cactus plant or something. Just get her plants because like they're just so cute and aesthetic. And you guys just just pretend like this is not happening, but it is happening. Okay, I don't even know what it is. The grandma can live. She can live at this house. Cause I've made a lot of houses. Like this is the only one built just for the grandma, bro. Just for the grandma. And like the downstairs is already built too. So like yeah. This house isn't done. Like this was gonna be my character's fall house, but I guess it's just gonna be the grandma's house. And then she can have her bag. And then we just put her plants down, like this plant right here. This. And I can put these plants up here. I think that this one's supposed to be like right here. And then we just can put some pillows down. And then we just gotta get her clothes. And we just gotta hang up her clothes. Yeah, just like that. What? And then we just gotta like put her pillows on this side. And yeah, we got her a nice little home. I know she's not in the intro, but it's okay because the grandma's not forbidden. I think I don't even know, bro. Yeah, just put that there, and yeah, her capybaras and her cat are friends. The bathroom's not built, so I don't know how she's gonna use the bathroom. She's not gonna go pee outside, or maybe she will. Nobody knows. Okay. Oh no. Since I'm down here, you guys can get a okay, so this is like the entrance or something. This is the kitchen. This is the living room. This is this is like a cute room. Like this is the dining room. This is the laundry room. She can clean her clothes. And this is the backyard. Like this is supposed to be a family house, but now it's not. That's why there's play stuff. But, like they can always visit, you know. Okay. Back to this. Okay, let's go. So this bag, yeah, that's the big sister's bag, and we need to put her clothes there. Wait, isn't this what she was wearing? Yeah, this was. That in her bag, and then this is the other sister's bag. Her clothes can go there. This is the mom and the dad's bag. I don't know where the dad's clothes went, but like okay. And then this is the kid's bag. And this, wait, I don't even know, bro. I just don't know. Should I take this little doggy on the trampoline? Yes. They're not riding in the freaking truck, bro. They're not. Wait, are they? No, they're not. Okay, let's put our bags in here.
Girl, what is this?
And yeah. Now we need to get to the train place. Okay, I got their stuff because like they need it on the train. Okay, whatever. So like we can go shopping for a little bit because our plane. Wait, so I'll just go get the tickets. You guys can go shopping or something like that. So wait, we need to get our ticket. Going to a new home. Okay, looks like our flight's gonna be leaving in like 20 minutes. So there are 6 of us. So 3. 1, 2, 3. I gotta take. Wait, how am I gonna hold on? Okay, so he's gonna need a hold. Just put it in this box. So I'm gonna put these in this box. And then, like, while they're over here, they're like shopping. So I'm just gonna get some flowers. These look so cute. I need to put these in our new house. I'm gonna wrap the flowers up. Yeah, Mom, those are pretty. Yeah, you should put your pretty that they're gonna go in our new house. Oh, donuts! Okay, we can get some coffee from here. Okay. So I want to get a sandwich. I'll just get a coffee. Yeah. I'm gonna get boba and a cupcake. Okay, me and your dad are just gonna get coffee. Okay, so we would like 2 frappuccinos. Okay. So how do I make the coffee? Okay. Put them in the box. Oh, can't take all the boxes. Okay, so we got our frappuccinos. We're gonna use these on the train. And then we got our 2 sandwiches. And then we got the coffee for me. Yes. The boba, and then the kids can share the strawberry drink. Yeah, that's it. Come on. Just gonna steal this donut. Okay, it's not good to steal. It's okay. Well, it's not okay. Okay, I don't even know what I'm saying about. Okay, can you hold my phone? Thank you. Something like this. So when is the flight coming? Wait for your dad to come. Look at this little birdie. The birdie can drink coffee. I didn't know that. Hello, I want to drink coffee. Okay. So the flight is coming in. Oh, you already ordered something, Dad? No, this is just where I'm gonna put the tickets. Yes. Well, I got a frappuccino for you, and for me, and yeah, we got like our orders. We're just gonna eat it on the train. The train is now coming in 5 minutes. I guess that they wasted 15 minutes on I don't even know what. So yeah. And I pretend like it's been a long time now they're going. This thing is talking and it's telling us that it's time to go. Okay, let's go. Let me see something. Okay. Let's go. Let's finally go on our train and then we get to go see our new house. Then we get to go see our new house. Mischievous missions happening. Oh my gosh. Okay, time to go on the train. We got the good seats. Yes, slay. They can sit over here. There's a sleeping area over here. Yes. They can sit over here. And like there can't just be them, so we're just gonna get this old lady. She looks pretty mean. Oh, I took off her bonnet. Okay. Okay. Now they're just gonna be sitting down and we get our drink.
So look very close.
Don't hit me. I'm just gonna go sit over here. Yeah, me too. Okay. We're just gonna you guys better be sitting down because we're about to take off. We're on a train. You're so dumb. You're so dumb. So dumb. So dumb. Be quiet, little girl. Okay. We're on a train. We're driving through snow. We're driving through villages. We're driving through snow, bro. Okay.
Why is it peas?
So let me get this donut for you. And then the sandwiches for them. That's for her. Nom, 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 nom. That's kind of big back, but okay. Okay. Now we have our house thing. And now we have our flowers. And I don't even know if they paid for that, but okay. I guess they did. I don't even know, but yeah. And these are the oh. But tell me to get the tickets to the man. Thank you. And here's our sandwiches. I like the brown one. I like the normal one. That's still your sandwich. Okay, now we just don't take it all. Go. Drink the rest. I was full anyway. I don't care. Boba tea, gnarly. Party the Hollywood Hills. This song, gnarly. And that cupcake was cupcake. Why did I say cupcake? I don't know why. But yeah. Now we need to find a trash can. Okay, we can just throw it in the toilet. It's not that bad to, like, I don't even know. Okay, I got my coffee and I got my phone. I'm just gonna watch YouTube. Like, I don't even care, bro. I'm gonna play video games first. Pretend like this is video games. And then here's the frappuccinos. So good. So good, bro. Let me just drink my boba tea. Gnarly. Let me just drink all this. So good. Just drink my coffee right there. Well, that's not fair because I'm the big sissy, so I get to play first. I don't care if you're the big sissy. Oh, I get to play. Oh, I'm gonna play with your stuffy then. Big back. Whoa. Big back. They're just gonna need to sit over here so they can be like a family over here. Yeah. And then they sit here. We have tiny little seats. This is for the handicapped people, but like they can get the tiny seats that they can sit over here. And like, yeah, I don't even know why I keep switching their spots, but yeah. Ew, it's poop. Who wants it? I think this person should eat it. It's super duper good. Do her hair, even though like she has a bonnet on, but whatever. It's taking so long. Give me a tone. No. Give me a tone. Give me a tone. You're such a crybaby. Give me this. I'm gonna play the poopy mode. Oh no, pretend like she falls down like I slip cheese. This is why you can't stand up. This is why you can't stand up on a train. But she snatched the thingy from me. That was still my no, it wasn't. She's a wild. So I was playing. Well, like she was playing first, and she was playing for like a month or something. And then like now it's my turn. And she still says that it's not my turn. But it's my turn because she was playing for a month now, and that's not fair because I didn't get to play yet. No, because I didn't get to play for 1 second. Stop whining. She's a wild, Mom. She's a wild. Oh, well, I didn't see with the iPad for a long time, Sophie. So like, yeah, just give her the turn. This isn't fair. So mean. Excuse me? Why she's saying? I don't even know, bro. Trying to make her legs go this way, but they're not. So yeah. Okay, you guys, we're gonna go a little bit faster. We're going super duper fast. They've been driving for days, and now it's time. No, they haven't been driving for days yet. But now it's time that they get off the train. We made it to our destination. Because they're like still like over here in like snowy. Now they're going into the city. And like she's downstairs, I think. Okay. Okay, we made it to where we stop at. Okay, but like the door's open. Finally, we can get off this dirty train. You've been crying the whole time. No, I haven't. The trains are not even dirty. Yeah, it's not dirty. I think I broke my back. They can just stay on the train. Okay. Now we need to go pick up our car. And then we drive to the house. Meow. 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 Now they made it to their home. Da, 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 da. New home. Meow. Okay. It's mystical. Magic. Yeah, you can do your video. Cause it feels so mystical, magical. Oh, baby, cause won't you know, baby, cause I need ice cream, taking off your booty. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna hang this picture. Mystical, magical, oh baby, cause won't you know. Okay, I'm just gonna put this somewhere else. This is their new house. You guys can get a house tour in like a different video, like maybe the next video. Okay, I'm just gonna hang it up right there. Oh, this is like heaven. This house is so cool and like it's clean, and like don't mind why some decorations are here, like pretend like I don't even know. Where's my room? Where's my room? We get separate rooms because I don't wanna share a bed with your stinkies. I'm not stinky. Okay. So pretend like Karomi's like the host or something of like almost everything. I don't know if you guys saw the other video, but like yeah, she was the host of the I don't even know. Like yeah. Okay. Okay, so you guys would like to buy this house? Yes. It's perfecto. Yeah. Okay. See? Okay, yeah. You guys can move into here. So bye. Everything. We don't have a flower pot. So can we use a cup? I don't know. But I'm gonna see. Okay, we can't. Oh, this is so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh, nice. Put that right there. Then we can put the flowers right there. So it looks like she gives like she sent us the map of where like all the rooms are. So like. You three are all sharing. Why are we sharing a room again? Cause it's just that. Okay, so you guys are gonna go to the left, and you guys are gonna go to the Liliana, you're gonna go to the right, and yeah, you guys' room is on the second floor, and like yeah, me and your dad are just gonna explore it out. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go see our new room. It's gonna be so fly. It's gonna be so good looking fly. Okay. And now, I go to the right. Okay, open my door. Let me open my new. Oh my god! This is my new bathroom. This is so Batty and Slay. Like, yeah. This is like one of the best rooms, bro. Like, it's so cute. Like, I love it so much.
I'm Tim Cheese.
It kind of looks like my old room. Not really, but because like it's so cute. Like, yeah. We have a cinnamon roll room, just like we asked for. Yeah, we asked for cinnamon roll room, so now we got our new iPad. But like this is like their new iPad. Looks like they haven't had an iPad yet. Okay. Wow. Like I don't even like it. Kind of looks like a kid room. Like at the same time, it's cute. So like I don't even care.
And Tim Cheese.
The cinnamon. This looks like a cinnamon roll. She likes cinnamon roll too. Like cinnamon roll is like one of the best. Yes. This is my computer, not you guys', okay? Okay. I'm just gonna put my phone down. Like, oh my god, we have our own balcony. Don't fall off the balcony. You guys can't come out yet because you guys might fall. I'm just kidding. You guys are like old enough, I think. You guys are like 6 or 5 or 6, 7.
I have a silver tooth because I had a hole in my tooth.
Oh,
Isn't it cool?
she brainwashed. She said 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. Okay, let's put our plushies down. This my bed. This my bed. This our bed. I don't care because my bed is like so perfecto. Like, let's go see the rest of the house now. I want to go sneak into mommy and daddy room. You want to come with us, sister? Okay, let's go. Let's go to mommy and daddy room. Let's go see what they look like. Okay. Let me go ask Liliana. Where we are now? Where we are now? Oh, your room's so cute. I want this room. This is my room. Mommy told me to go to the right, and mommy told you to go to the left because this is my room. You clearly are deaf because mom said that I go to the right. So like, yeah. And plus, you guys are just gonna have to share a room. Wait, I want to see Sissy's room. No, it's pretty ugly. Like it's yeah. Do you want to come to see mommy and daddy room with us? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Wobbly, 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 wobbly shoes. Okay, let's go see mommy and daddy room. Wait. Ooh, we have another pool. Ooh, so cute. Oh, we got the little paddings. Okay, let's go in. Ooh, it's so cool. Like, don't mind why it's not decorated, because like, they're gonna put decorations. Okay. Ooh, it's cute. Ooh, this is the bathroom. This is where me and Sophie gonna take a bath. Yeah, we can take a bath here. Okay, let's just go downstairs, and then like the mom and the dad just gonna come to their room. What you guys doing up here? You guys looking at our room? We're supposed to look at our room first. That was cute. That's what we know is cute. Yeah, it's cute. Okay, our room is so slay. Like, yeah. Then we need to like get our moving stuff, and then we can like pack everything. Yeah. So let's see the downstairs. Yeah, it looks super cute. That's what the mom said. The mom said that looks super cute. Wobbly, 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 wobbly. Okay. Ooh, look at our living room. Like, sit here, and it's like it's gonna be so cool. And like, this is the dining room. Okay. Ooh, this room, like, I can just sit here and like eat all the food. Oh, the food's already in here. Like, what should I eat? I wanna eat everything. I'm just kidding. Some of those stuff are vegetables, and who likes vegetables? I don't. Cinnamon will drink. Oh, and what the hell could they drink? Oh, yeah. Now we put it back. You guys put your mouth on. I don't care. Put it back. You guys are so bad. And then she just stays in the kitchen being a big bag, making her a waffle. She disappeared, bro. Went behind the curtains, because can't you guys see her little feet, bro?
No, because I saw you.
Yeah,
I can't see you.
okay.
George.
Now I'm just gonna put the refrigerator back.
I'm gonna have to start my video so you don't have to go to George.
No, because I'm still doing mine. Waffle make. I am. Wobbly, 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 wobbly. Oh, I want this second one too. Okay, that's enough for waffles. Could you just talk to Mom? Thank you. I'm almost done though. Okay, let's see the next room. Oh, look at this room. It's so cute. Look at this sit here. Yeah, it's so cool. Oh, we got a work room where Mom and Dad's just gonna do their little work, you know. Well, I think that we gotta like move everything in now. Yeah. Okay. The Mom and the Dad here. Like, our room was so slay. Like, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put her phone right here so they can like get their stuff, you know. Like, because I need to get their stuff. And now and like they're just gonna decorate. So yeah. lot of work putting all of our stuff away. So I'm just gonna like get ready for bed. So let me find my pajamas. I'm just gonna wear this. I don't even care at this point. I'm just gonna wear it. We need to put on our pajamas too. Our house is already looking so cute.
Like right now.
Hmm.
There's no
Okay, don't mind I just threw those clothes away, but yeah. This is her bed, this is her bed. We just put the iPad right there. Meow, meow, meow. Get out, no, no, no. Wait, I'm trying to finish these. Don't mind him talking. Okay, now I'm just gonna like go to bed, like, good night. And I'm just gonna put that right here. Take the brow. So literally like not letting me pick up anything. Turn the lights off. It's bedtime now. Okay. Just find my pajamas. That's because I don't. Girl. I don't have a YouTube channel yet. Just one CapCut. Wait, just wait, bro. Just wait. I'm just gonna wear this outfit. Like it's so cute and slay. So, yeah, it's just a pajama. Just go to bed and like, yeah, just turn off all the lights, turn off the candle. Nuka, dona, white horse winning. I see with the boy on your white horse winning. I see with the boy on your white horse winning. Time for them to turn off their lights. Time for them to go to sleep. Where'd they go? Okay, now we need to put on the pajamas. The same old clothes every time. Put on my pajamas.